Welcome to DataView, the add-on that allows you to create a simple database on any Confluence page. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install DataView on your Confluence page. The first thing to do is to attach your dataset in the form of an Excel file to the page. And you can see here that the vehicle inventory Excel file is already attached. And if we then go back to the page and click on Edit, we can now set up the DataView database on the page. All we need to do is go to Insert Other Macros, or at this stage we can use the macro shortcut and simply type in DataView. Now, once it's open, you can select any file that's attached to either this page or any other Confluence page. The Has Headers field defaults to true, and that simply means that the first row of your spreadsheet will be treated as headers for the purposes of the database. And sheet 0 simply refers to the first sheet, which is the one that we'll be using. You could use any other sheet in your file, and for that you would just put 1, 2, 3, etc. And then the date format, it just is useful to select the date format that you would like any dates to appear in. And then all we need to do is click on Insert. Now we're going to add other functions to the database. If we just carriage return to the next line, and again use the macro shortcut, and this time we're going to add a search field. So this will allow you to view your search. So click on DataView Search. At the moment, we'll allow it to search across all columns in your spreadsheet, but you could restrict it to a single column or selected columns. We're also going to add something called the DataView Results option, and this simply allows you to display the results in your spreadsheet as you wish. You can again restrict to certain columns within the spreadsheet, or you can view results across the whole of the data set. We're also going to add here at the side a filter. Now, if we click on Filter and then Edit, we can edit the macro. And here what we're going to do is we're going to decide which column is going to be our filter. So let's say, for example, it's column C. If it's numeric data, i.e. dates or numbers, then it's best to click on Is Numeric Data so that it orders it properly. And then we simply click on Save. And then the last thing we're going to do is include a button which allows you to export your data results. So here we're going to click on DataView Export. And again, you can export all of the results, or if you selected again the column, the sheet and the columns that you want, you can just export selected columns. Now, for our purposes, we're just going to leave it as is. And then all we need to do is click on Save. And there you have it. Very easily, you have a database ready to use on your page, and you can begin to type as you wish, and that will already begin to produce the results, and you'll see the results change. You can filter according to any of the parameters that you've set. So in this case, it's running costs. If we do high, it will filter just those results, and then you can export those results if you want. But there you have it. In less than 4 minutes, you have a fully functioning, simple database on your Confluence page. For further information, search YouTube for DataView to see more instructional videos.